I read this quote. It says, never make a mistake of assuming that a person of peace is unskilled at war. When you take somebody's kindness for weakness, you will keep getting surprised at what they're able to do from their space of peace and their kindness still. I have two questions to ask. I think in the past 2 days I have been observing and just checking. And my first question is, there was a bus that was coming from Malawi that was overloaded. But not only was the bus overloaded, the bus had over 45 people inside of it who had no legal traveling documentation. My question on that one is, who owns these buses? Because these buses are not owned by the very same people who are running away from the poverty of their space to South Africa, but somebody great, somebody rich, somebody relevant, and somebody probably not even us is the one that is owning these buses. Number two, who is still allowing people from the border, because the bus did not climb the crocodile to come through the border, for it to have 45 people inside the bus with no traveling documentation? Who's fooling who here? That's question one. Question number two, it's more of curiosity on this one. The mayor in the CBD is up on his toes doing what we would have wanted him to do long time ago, but we are happy he's doing it right now. And this is what is happening. Yesterday, I opened my social media platform and I realized that there is a lot that is still going on in the lot that is going on. But they were meant to what is this to what is the word of English now? Well, to I found the word, to demolish a structure that was set up illegally. So what that structure that was done is done illegally. However, they could not proceed to doing that because the people that are owning the illegal structure have taken them to court. So the mayor and his team is supposed to wait now for the court to give them permission to demolish an illegal structure. This for me is just, I don't know. It's just something that just, I don't understand the power that has been given to lawlessness. The structure is illegal, but the illegal structure cannot be demolished because the people who have set it up have taken the ones that are supposed to make sure the structure does not exist to court for demolishing their structure. Guys, this is crazy. This is crazy. We have something that is bigger that is happening, but South Africans, this time around, we are going to clean South Africa for our children. And they will sit there and say our parents stood up. Because what I see happening throughout the country, I am saying we have a weapon of mass destruction. And that weapon is the unity. We should not drop that. Before I close this video, white South Africans, come here. Do you know how much crap we get as black South Africans by people who are saying we are electing a white people get away with everything, and they say all those things? Should it be true that there are trucks that are owned by white farmers that are bringing people illegal in the very same country when we are taking so much crap because we are calling you us and our own? That's the one battle you don't want to start with us. Let it be a lie that there are people who are bringing people from other countries illegally and packing them in their trucks, and we are here thinking that we are in this fight together. Don't start that. Somebody tell me this is a lie. Because war. And lastly, to you who remembers that you are our brothers, and our cousins when we are asking you to go home. I am really bored by the audacity and the nerve that you have. You still know you are illegal, and you still go and march at our police stations, and you go and cause chaos because you want to be fought. You have realized that you are in the fight with people who are not ready to harm or kill and do anything. So now there must be news headlines that are saying South African police are now shooting people with rubber bullets because you are doing what you should not be doing. What are you doing marching in our police stations when you should be packing your things and at least take them back home peacefully? Because that's what we are asking for. Guys, the 30th is coming. The 30th of June, you will realize that this peace of ours can work. It has got results. Our results are driven by peace. But the eruption of the anger that you keep aggravating South Africans by saying all the things that you are saying, it should not end bad. It shouldn't. You just need to go home and stop giving us advices of how to have our South Africa in South Africa when you've got your own countries yearning for the very same effort from you. Just simply go home. What are you doing in our police stations? Really, what do you want our police stations to be doing for you?
Ngiyakubingelela Mbukeli. Uyayizwa le ntokazi Mbukeli ibeka amaphuzu abalulekile ukuthi ungathathi ukulunga komuntu ukubukele phansi ngoba hey uyobona amanyala enyoka. Ithi iyabona kubanjwa ibhasi evele eMalawi nabantu abawu-45. Kahle kahle ngempela ubani umnikazi walamabhasi lawa agitshelwe labantu abaqhamuka emazweni abo beze la? Mhlawumbe umuntu ocebile nje. Mbukeli, awubekelwa kakhulu uvo ukuthi uthini ngale ndaba ekhuluma ngawo usisi la. Siphinde sihlangane eviki elandelayo. Ube nosuku oluhle.